popularity of Japan's Princess Aiko has sparked calls to change the country's male-only succession law. That law prohibits Aiko, the emperor's only child, from becoming monarch. The 24-year-old Aiko has gained admirers since debuting as an adult royal in 2021. Support for Aiko as a future monarch increased following her first solo official overseas trip to Laos in November, representing the emperor. Experts say the female ban should be lifted before the royal family dies out. However, conservative lawmakers, including Prime Minister Sanai Takaichi, oppose the change.